Hey it girls, hey it gals, your girl it's Daji. Okay, I got the question, how do you avoid heat damage? Number one is don't use any heat. But there's people like me that like to get their hair straightened. So this one's for you guys. I typically go to the hair salon to get my hair straightened, or sometimes I do it myself. But whenever I do initially get my hair straightened, I do not add any additional heat in between, unless I want to curl it or so on and so forth. But that is very rare for me to do. But if I am doing that, I'm making sure I'm using a heat protectant. I don't have it on the highest setting. So that's another thing. So when you are getting your hair straightened, it's okay to do maybe 1 or 2 passes at the root because it's a new growth. It's not used to being straightened. But for the rest of that hair, 1 pass. 1 pass gets the job done. 1 pass. Do not double back and forth. That's automatic strain for heat damage. Or do not add any additional heat in between until you see your stylist. Make sure you're getting treatments. Make sure you're getting deep conditions. Make sure you're getting regular trims, because heat damage also leads to split ends. So make sure you're getting your hair trimmed as needed. Well, yeah. Bye my it girls, bye my it gals.